Do you know what causes plants to have light green instead of the normal green color? In this video, we will tell you how to get rid of the causes. What is the difference between a plant with light green leaves and normal green leaves? The first difference is that plants with light green leaves are growing in a slightly different location than normal green plants. This means that these plants are growing in a place where they are not receiving direct sunlight. The second difference is that they grow with less water. You should choose a place that has well-drained soils that hold enough water for the plant. Why do plants turn light green? 1. Overwatering. Overwatering your plants can cause them to turn into pale green or yellow color and then drop down dead. 2. Aging. It is normal for all the plant leaves to grow old and fall off. It could be too old and about to die. 3. Moving plant. If you move your plant during its growing season, it's bound to become stressed or die. It will need time to adjust to temperature and light in its new surroundings. During this time, it's common to see the leaves turn to pale green or yellow color. 4. Issue with nutrients. If you provide your plant with too much or too little fertilizer, it can drastically be affected. A deficiency of nitrogen is the major cause. Adjusting the levels of this nutrient will turn it from pale green to a dark green color. 5. Temperature changes. A sudden change in temperature affects the plant's color. If the plant is too cold or too hot in its location, its leaves will change into pale green or yellow color. 6. Insects and diseases. Insects that feed on the plant's roots or leaves will cause the leaves to turn light green. What fertilizer should you give your plant with light green leaves? Nitrogen deficiency is the #1 reason for a plant with light green leaves. The leaves also tend to drop sooner than expected. Too much nitrogen, on the other hand, results in fast growth and spindly weak shoots and dark green leaves. How does nitrogen help plants with light green leaves? Nitrogen fertilizer is the most recognized nutrient due to its ability to provide rich green foliage. The green color of the plant, known as chlorophyll, is responsible for photosynthesis, and nitrogen is largely needed in this process. Plants use nitrogen heavily in new shoots, buds, and leaves. The air contains about 78% of nitrogen, but this is not enough for the plant. The plant must be provided with more nitrogen to absorb through the soil. Nitrate and ammonium are readily available forms of nitrogen that a plant needs. Nitrogen can also be applied organically by using blood meal, fish fertilizer, feather meal, and other liquid fertilizers. Organic dry fertilizers like compost manure are slow-release fertilizers that help the plant benefit from long-term nitrogen content and build up organic matter in the soil. Nutrients are very important to plants as they provide all the necessary requirements for the growth of plants. Water and sunlight are also equally important as they provide your plant with the right atmosphere to thrive. Ensure you don't under or overwater them. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.